Alright, quick progress update on the Grocy Pad, which is a Wi-Fi shopping list thingo that synchronizes with Grocy, which is like a recipe grocery management system thingy-bob. So I got everything working pretty well now, pretty much feature complete for the basics. You can type in stuff, it'll filter the list, you can pick something you want and hit add, turn screen, add it to the shopping list. After a little while it'll sync to the server, and yeah, it's got all the features I want. So you can view the shopping list only, or you can browse everything and search through it like I just did before. So this is all data that's pulled from Grocy server, and yeah, it's just about at the point of being useful. I want to rig up these buttons down here to switch to like different modes. Like the default mode will be the shopping list mode, and then maybe this one will be like the recipe mode, and then it'll list all the recipes that are in the system, and you'll be able to pick one and hit add, and then it will add everything we don't already have to cook that recipe to the shopping list automatically. This LCD looks better in person. There's this wire effect happening. I don't know if you could see that, or it's just the phone screen. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to 3D print a little dock. You can buy a dock for these, or at least you can get these in a kit that comes with a dock, this keyboard, screen. But you can't buy the dock by itself, it seems. They're not in stock anymore. So I might just 3D print something. It's got some pogo pin contacts on the back to put power and data in. So yeah, get some power in that way. But yeah, that was all in all, it's a fun project. Okay, bye bye.